What's out there? Large language models, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude's Anthropic. Welcome to the first video in the What's Out There series, where we'll be diving into one of the most transformative technologies of our time, large language models, LLMs. These models, such as ChatGPT by OpenAI, Google Gemini by Google DeepMind, and Claude by Anthropic, are revolutionizing everything from content creation to coding, education, business, and beyond. In this video, we'll break down what each of these models does, their capabilities, and the substantial backing and funding that powers them. Before diving into the specifics of each model, it's important to have a basic understanding of what large language models are and how they work. At their core, LLMs are deep learning models that are trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing them to understand and generate human-like language. These models process language through statistical patterns, which means they predict what words or phrases are most likely to come next in a given context. LLMs are trained on an immense range of text from books, websites, academic papers, and more. The more data these models are exposed to, the better they can predict context, handle complex language tasks, and generate responses. These capabilities allow them to perform a variety of tasks, from answering questions and writing essays to translating languages and even creating code. Now let's explore three of the leading players in the space: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude by Anthropic. ChatGPT is arguably one of the most well-known and accessible LLMs in the world today. Developed by OpenAI, it is built on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture. GPT-3 was released in 2020, and since then, OpenAI has continued refining its models, with GPT-4 being the latest version available as of 2024. ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating human-like text across multiple contexts. This includes conversational AI, engaging in interactive dialogues, answering questions, and providing explanations on diverse topics. Text generation, writing essays, articles, and even poems based on prompts given by users. Code writing, assisting with writing, debugging, and explaining programming code. Summarization, condensing long pieces of text into clear, concise summaries. Translation, translating languages with impressive accuracy. Creative tasks, engaging in creative writing, brainstorming ideas, and generating content for marketing. ChatGPT can understand subtle cues, context, and user intent, making it exceptionally flexible across a wide range of domains. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, started as a nonprofit but later transitioned to a capped profit model. It has garnered significant funding from major players in the tech industry, including Microsoft, which has invested heavily in OpenAI. In 2023, Microsoft invested $10 billion in OpenAI, ensuring the integration of OpenAI's models into Microsoft's products, such as Azure and Microsoft Office. Google Gemini is the result of Google's AI-focused division, DeepMind, which is known for creating some of the most powerful AI systems in the world, including the famous AlphaGo. Google Gemini is a series of LLMs that are positioned to compete directly with OpenAI's models, offering sophisticated language understanding and generation capabilities. Gemini was first introduced in December 2023, marking Google's entry into the conversational AI space in a big way. Google Gemini excels in several areas: search enhancement, integrating seamlessly with Google's search engine, providing highly relevant and accurate responses to user queries. Multimodal understanding. While primarily focused on language, Gemini also incorporates images and other forms of data into its processing, allowing it to handle more complex queries that involve multimedia. Contextual awareness. With access to Google's vast data infrastructure, Gemini can provide highly accurate and context-specific information, often linking out to various Google services for deeper insights. Productivity tools. Gemini is integrated with Google's suite of tools, like Google Docs and Sheets, making it a versatile assistant for both individual and business needs. Google Gemini is backed by Google DeepMind, which is part of Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company. DeepMind has long been one of the most well-funded AI research organizations in the world, with billions of dollars invested in their research and development. Although specific figures on the funding for Gemini are not publicly disclosed, it is understood that Google's commitment to AI research, especially in natural language processing and multimodal AI, is substantial. Claude is a family of LLMs created by Anthropic, an AI safety and research company founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers. Named after Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, Claude aims to be an ethical and user-friendly AI. Anthropic places a heavy emphasis on AI safety, focusing on developing AI systems that are robust, interpretable, and aligned with human values. Claude focuses on providing high-quality conversational experiences while emphasizing safety and reliability. Key capabilities include safe and ethical AI. Claude is designed to reduce harmful outputs and ensure that AI interactions are aligned with ethical standards. This is particularly important for companies or institutions that are concerned with responsible AI usage. High-quality conversations. Like its counterparts, Claude is capable of handling a wide range of conversational topics, from customer service inquiries to complex technical questions. Text generation. Claude can create written content, such as articles, summaries, and social media posts, while maintaining a neutral and objective tone. Regulatory compliance. Claude is designed to assist businesses and developers in meeting regulatory requirements, especially in industries like healthcare and finance, where AI is scrutinized for its potential risks. Anthropic has raised considerable funding from investors who believe in the potential for safe and ethical AI. In total, the company has raised over $580 million in funding, with major investments coming in 2022 and 2023. While all three models, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude, are built on similar foundations, their approaches and capabilities vary based on their respective companies' goals and strategies. ChatGPT excels in versatility and has already gained widespread adoption across industries, thanks in large part to OpenAI's massive investment and integration into Microsoft's product ecosystem. Google Gemini leverages Google's immense data resources, making it particularly strong in search-related tasks and integrating with Google's productivity tools. Claude distinguishes itself with a focus on AI safety, ethical considerations, and regulatory compliance, which makes it a strong choice for businesses that prioritize responsible AI use. All three of these LLMs are backed by significant financial investments. From Microsoft's $10 billion in OpenAI to Google's billion-dollar AI research budget, the money fueling these models isn't just about research and development. It's about building the infrastructure that can support a new generation of AI services that businesses and consumers will rely on. OpenAI is supported by both public and private funding, with key investments from Microsoft totaling $13 billion as of 2023. Google Gemini is backed by Google's parent company, Alphabet, and benefits from a multi-billion-dollar annual AI budget, with DeepMind playing a central role in its research. As we've covered, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude are among the most well-known players in the large language model, LLM space, each carving out its niche and gaining significant traction with their advanced capabilities. But there's a new kid on the block that's generating significant buzz: Grok. Developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk, Grok is quickly emerging as a noteworthy competitor in the LLM landscape. While it's still in the earlier stages compared to established players like ChatGPT and Gemini, Grok is carving a unique path, thanks to its connection to Musk's vast ecosystem of technology companies, such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter, now rebranded as X. Grok's integration into Musk's vision, particularly through its ties to X, presents it as more than just another LLM. It could potentially become a critical piece of the technology stack that powers Musk's ventures. Like its competitors, Grok is designed to process natural language and generate human-like responses. Its conversational abilities allow it to engage with users across a variety of domains, from casual discussions to more technical inquiries. However, what sets Grok apart is its potential deep integration into Musk's other platforms, such as X, formerly Twitter, potentially allowing it to work seamlessly in social media contexts by offering smarter interaction features. Grok's capabilities also extend beyond social media and basic conversational AI. One of its unique selling points is its potential to integrate with Tesla's vehicles, enhancing their in-car interfaces. With AI being central to Tesla's self-driving technology and overall user experience, the addition of Grok could enhance how drivers and passengers interact with their Tesla vehicles. This could involve more sophisticated voice-activated commands, real-time feedback for driving assistance, and enhanced personal assistance, making it an essential tool for Tesla owners. Grok, much like its more established counterparts, can be used for tasks such as content generation, summarization, and code writing. However, What sets it apart is its focus on advanced reasoning and problem-solving. Grok aims to not only understand natural language, but also assist users with complex tasks that require logical deduction or deep technical insight. For instance, it could help engineers design algorithms, assist researchers in data analysis, or support developers in debugging code. Another interesting feature of Grok is its real-time capability for delivering information. Unlike other models that rely on a fixed training set, Grok is likely to benefit from continuous integration with data from X, Tesla, and other Musk-affiliated platforms. Grok is designed to excel at personalization. By utilizing data across Musk's platforms and potentially user preferences from services like Tesla's ecosystem or X, Grok could offer a highly personalized experience for users. Grok is, of course, backed by Musk's vision and the resources of xAI. While specific figures for funding are not entirely clear, it's safe to say that Grok has the financial backing of one of the most high-profile figures in technology today. Moreover, the development of Grok is taking place within the context of Musk's overarching goal of AI safety and human-AI collaboration, a theme that has been prominent in Musk's public statements. While it's still in its early stages, Grok presents a promising new direction for LLMs. Its connection to Elon Musk's ecosystem means that it isn't just another AI tool. It has the potential to fundamentally change the way we interact with AI across a variety of real-world applications. Grok is positioned not just as an AI that responds to queries or assists with simple tasks, but as a dynamic tool that could integrate seamlessly into the ever-evolving tech landscape, from self-driving cars to social media and even space exploration. However, it's important to keep in mind that Grok is still new, and its capabilities are very much in development. As with any new player in the LLM space, it will take time to see how effectively it can compete with the likes of ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude. With Grok entering the scene, the landscape of LLMs has become even more competitive. While still in its formative stage, the model's integration with Musk's various platforms and its emphasis on real-time learning and deep personalization could put it on track to become a major player. Now that we've taken a deeper dive into the established players and the newcomer in the field, we can appreciate the variety of LLMs out there today. Whether it's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, or the emerging Grok, each model has something unique to offer, and the competition among them ensures that AI technology will continue to evolve at an incredibly rapid pace. Large language models such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude are revolutionizing industries and changing the way we interact with technology. Backed by massive financial investments, these models represent the future of AI, each bringing something unique to the table. Whether it's versatility, multimodal capabilities, or ethical AI design. As we move forward, these technologies will continue to evolve, and understanding their capabilities, potential applications, and the money backing them is crucial for anyone looking to stay ahead in the rapidly changing landscape of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into the tools and technologies shaping the world of AI.